Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, StyleSueciety, and welcome to my very first PR unboxing haul. Woo! Free stuff, free stuff, free stuff, free stuff. Okay, I kid. It's not exactly free PR in the sense that it magically appeared in my mailbox. I did actually have to do a little bit of work where I had to apply for the product and then I have to actually do reviews on these too. So not completely free, but close enough. Some of you may be wondering how on earth can you get free products like this to try? Well, let me give you guys one tip. Get off your lazy ass and start a YouTube channel. Just kidding, you guys don't need a YouTube account, nor do you need a wide social media reach on your account such as Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. I think when I started getting free packages for review, I only had about 100 followers on my personal Instagram account. So you don't need a wide social media reach, though I would say it is helpful if you did have one. Companies that do give out free products for review purposes such as Influenster, ChickAdvisor, and TopBox are looking for people who are going to commit to doing reviews on the products that they get and provide useful information to consumers out there. If some of you are interested in knowing some tips and tricks on how to qualify for review campaigns out there, let me know in the comment section below and maybe I can whip up a video for that. Not gonna lie, it does feel a little bit like Christmas right now with all these boxes in front of me, and ooh, that kind of reminds me, maybe I should share with you guys a little quick story about my childhood. I realize I don't share a lot of stories with you guys, but here's one you might find a little bit amusing. Growing up, my parents would buy Christmas presents for me and my siblings and wrap them all up and put them under the Christmas tree, and they told us that we couldn't open them up until Boxing Day. I know, you guys are probably thinking, what? Boxing Day? You're allowed to open your Christmas presents on Christmas Day. Well, me and my siblings had no idea, and I don't even know why my parents got the idea that Boxing Day was a magic day to unwrap all your presents. Maybe because of the word Boxing Day, they think, ooh, it's the day of unboxing all your presents. I don't know, I have fobby parents, and English is a second language for them, so I guess I can't blame them. That just means that throughout my childhood years, every year I was just ripped off that one extra day where I could have opened my presents a little bit earlier. Alright guys, story time's over. Let's dig in. First up, I have something from e.l.f. e.l.f. is a super affordable brand and they do have some really good products out there, and let me tell you, back when I was a poor student, I did buy a lot of e.l.f. products because girl couldn't afford anything else. Alright, first thing here is a little card that says, congratulations, you have a new mission, and this package was sent to me from TopBox Circle. First thing I have here is the e.l.f. Contouring Kabuki brush. This is the brush, and wow, it's really soft. It does look quite big though, so I don't think you can really use this to carve out your cheekbones. This is kind of more for an all-over powder bronzer application. The other product that I got in the box is the e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Powder in the shade St. Lucia. There's the packaging, and it does look similar to the NARS products. And these are the two shades. Might as well check these ones out. Not sure if I like the blush a whole lot, but I think the contour shade here is pretty good. Next up, I have something from L'Oreal. Who else out there loves watching PR unboxing videos? Because I absolutely love watching them, especially from the big beauty gurus like Glam Life Guru. Oh my goodness, her videos, I'm just like, oh, look at all that free stuff. Amazing. Alright, I got something that says, thank you for choosing L'Oreal Paris. We hope you enjoy your hair treatment. Please let us know what you think at the link below. So, gotta do my review. This is what I got, and this is the Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge Leave-In. Looks like a hair conditioner of some sort. This one here is a leave-in hair product, and it's supposed to help prevent breakage and also provides heat protection, so that's great if you curl or straighten your hair. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my ends to see what this is all about. It smells really good. Alright, so that's something for me to try and review. Next up, I have something that doesn't say where it's from, so mystery box. Alright, let's see what we have here. Ooh, something from Garnier. Here it says Garnier Ombrelle, the sun made safer. Probably some sunscreen product, which I wish I started using sunscreen products a lot sooner because it's super important, you guys. Inside I have another card here and it says, congratulations, you have a new mission. And this one is also from TopBox Circle. See what we have in here. First we have the Garnier Ombrelle Ultra Light Advanced Tinted Lotion. This one is weightless face tinted lotion and has SPF 60. Okay, there it is, and it looks quite watery. It's not thick at all. Spreads quite easily, and I can't tell what kind of coverage this is, so. I'm not a fan of the smell. It kind of reminds me of chalk or something. The other product I have is weightless body lotion and it has SPF 30 in it. This is also water resistant, so if you're swimming or doing some other water sports, this one might be good to try, although I think SPF 30 might not be high enough. I'm gonna tackle this one next. I know what this one is. I've seen people posting this on Instagram and I got mine finally, yay! This one is Benefit's Magically Transforming Brows. Ooh, love Benefit stuff. Take a look here. Inside, I have a little card here. This just talks about the product, I suppose, and nothing else in here. There's the packaging, and the shade I got was 4.5, which I don't know corresponds to what, but I think it's one of the darker colors. There's what this one looks like. It's quite neat and very, very different looking. Looks kind of like a rocket, a pencil? I don't know. What is this supposed to even be? Is there anything else in here? Oh, there's a little tips and tricks booklet. So it's double-ended. One end you have a little spoolie and the other end you have the product and it's a twist top. There we go. Let's see what this one looks like. I hope it's my color. So there are a few swatches and it looks like it does give a nice thin line if you want to draw little strokes in your hairs here, but yeah, it seems to be quite nice. I'm excited to give this one a try. Next up here is not beauty related, it's sweets related, and let me tell you guys, I have a sweet tooth. If you know your chocolates, the packaging and color here does give it away. It's from Reese. Let's see what we have inside. What? Some candy. Okay. Little pamphlet here. Some information. I'll read that later. And ooh, miniatures. Reese miniatures stuffed with pieces. Oh my god. You guys, I love Reese's pieces, like the mini ones. Who thought of these? This is a genius idea. So it's got the peanut butter cups and then inside it's got the little mini Reese's pieces. What else do we have here? I have a couple of the Reese peanut butter cups. These are the traditional ones and honestly, I'm not a huge fan of these. I think they're a bit too peanut buttery, so I might pass these on to the husband. And it comes with a little USB stick that is shaped in a Reese's Pieces buttercup. This is so cute. It's a little chocolate USB. I'm sure there's some Reese's information in here, but still really cute. And then there's a box with, ooh, what is this? I have, what is this? Whammo Bluetooth speaker. Oh, that's really neat. This would be useful when you're away from home and you want some extra amplification for music or if you're watching something. That comes in handy. Cool. This was was a really good box, you guys. I can't wait to try these miniatures out. This looks like a really good idea, and I have super high hopes that this tastes good. Okay, and my last box is something from ChickAdvisor, and I can kind of tell already from the picture what's inside, but let's check it out. Okie doke. By the way, ChickAdvisor, I think, is a Canadian company, so all my American friends, I'm sorry. But if you are Canadian, do check out ChickAdvisor because you can sign up and qualify for a lot of campaigns, and they do have a lot of beauty products usually out for review. First up, we have this Nivea Care Intensive Nourishment Non-Greasy Cream, and it's a pretty big tub. This is great. It's quick absorbing moisturizer for body, face, and hands. This will be perfect for the winter time because my skin gets super dry during the winter and it looks borderline scaly. Like I freaking turn into a reptile. Okay, and there's something else in here. This one is, they package it really well so that it doesn't leak. Here I have a bottle of Nivea Micellar Air Skin Breathe Micellar Water, and this is good for dry and sensitive skin. That's everything, you guys. I really wish there were more packages for me to open, but that's as good as it gets for now. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing something a little bit different from my usual Marshalls and Winners haul videos. If you missed those videos, don't you worry. I will have another one coming up very soon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!